For years, the iPad Pro has been Apple's most confusing masterpiece of device, so powerful it could outrun some MacBooks. Yet so restricted by software, it often felt like a glorified Netflix machine. Apple put desktop-class chips like the M1, M2, and even M4 into a tablet, then limited what users could actually do with them. It was like giving someone a spaceship and saying, you can only fly it in your backyard. But that's finally changing. The upcoming iPad Pro M5, launching in fall 2025. Paired with the all-new iPadOS 26 and Apple Intelligence, isn't just an upgrade, it's a long overdue evolution. For the first time, it feels like Apple is ready to let the iPad Pro be what it was always meant to be, a true professional machine that blurs the line between tablet and laptop. Let's start with the brains, the new M5 chip. Built on second-generation 3nm technology, it's expected to outperform its predecessor in CPU, GPU, and especially AI tasks. And in 2025, that last part is critical. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's baked into everything. Whether you're summarizing lengthy PDFs, cleaning up podcast audio, creating smart replies in mail, or running real-time transcription, the M5 chip can now do it entirely on device. That means it's private, it's fast, and yes, you can finally use AI without needing to be connected to the cloud. This is Apple Intelligence at its best, integrated into iPadOS 26 in a way that's useful, not flashy. No gimmicks, just real tools for real workflows. But hardware is only half the story. The biggest leap is the software. iPadOS 26 finally brings something users have begged for: true desktop-style multitasking. We're talking resizable, draggable windows, no more awkward split views or slide-over limitations. You can have Final Cut Pro running in one corner, Safari and Notes open side by side, and messages quietly pinging in the background. It's the productivity dream iPad users have been waiting for, and it transforms the iPad from a sleek consumption device into a multitasking machine that can actually replace a laptop for many people, and the upgrades just keep coming live. Activities, those dynamic, glanceable updates we loved on iPhone, are now on iPad. Want to track your food delivery or Pomodoro timer while you edit a video? Done? Better yet, real background tasks now work. That means you can export a Final Cut project while working on something else. No more sitting there, staring at a progress bar like it's 2012. Apple also added a proper menu bar and more robust Files app features like column view, tagging, batch operations, and support for external drives and network volumes. Basically, the iPad finally understands that pros want pro features, not just pretty animations. For creators, the love is real. Artists get an upgraded Apple Pencil Pro with haptic feedback, squeeze gestures, tilt controls, and even dynamic brush previews, and the new matte, anti-reflective display. It'll feel more like sketching on paper than ever before. Musicians get multi-track audio recording, advanced routing, and Logic Pro running natively and powerfully on the iPad. Add support for high-end audio interfaces, and suddenly, this device isn't just good for rough cuts, it's good for final cuts. Connectivity also takes a leap forward with Wi-Fi 7 5G Advanced, and a revamped Thunderbolt port with higher bandwidth. For faster file transfers and more stable external display support, rumor has it the Magic Keyboard is getting a redesigned two-think function keys, backlit keys, and a better magnetic hinge. And with deeper ecosystem integration like Universal Control 2.0, AI-powered handoff between iPad and Mac, and seamless transitions between Logic or Final Cut projects. The iPad isn't just playing in the Mac's playground, it's becoming part of the same team. Now, let's talk reality price. Expect the 11-inch M5 iPad Pro to start at around $999, and the 30-inch model, $1,299. Storage options are likely to range from 256 gigabytes to 2 terabytes, maybe even a 3 terabytes tier. And yes, the Apple Pencil Pro and Magic Keyboard will still be sold separately, because of course they are. But even with that, for professionals who rely on speed, portability, and now finally flexibility, this might be the first iPad Pro that actually earns its Pro title. So here's the truth. This isn't just another iPad Pro. This is the iPad Pro reimagined with power, software, and intelligence finally aligned. It's the first time we can confidently say the iPad isn't just a gorgeous slab of tech, it's a serious tool for serious creators, developers, professionals, and multitaskers. If you're someone who tried to use an iPad Pro in the past and gave up out of frustration, this is the one to come back for. It's the one that might finally replace your laptop, not just supplement it. If this breakdown gave you a clearer picture of what the M5 iPad Pro can really do, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more tech deep dives, and ring the bell so you're the first to know when we cover hands-on reviews and comparisons. If you're curious how this stacks up against the Mac Mini M5, check out that video now on your screen or dive into our full Apple Intelligence Explained video to see how the future of AI on Apple devices is shaping up. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.